Hi, my name is Brandon Adams. I am an inventor, entrepreneur, and host of the show University of Young Entrepreneurs. I have learned a lot over the past 5 years. I own a packaged ice distributorship. I am the inventor of a product, the Arctic Stick. I've developed that the past 3 years. I became an expert in product development and manufacturing, anything it takes to take your product to market. And also, I've even done some crowdfunding, so I have experience with that end too, which crowdfunding is going to change the future of bringing products to market. So I am a full-out entrepreneur, and what I do now is I travel the country and interview people, the most successful people this world has to offer, and bring them on my podcast show. So the University of Young Entrepreneurs is a movement. We are a learning community, and what our goal is to help inspire others to achieve greatness in their life and to do whatever it is they love and be great at it. So I'm here to support you, whether you're in high school, college, or you're in your 30s. I'm here to help you achieve greatness in life and give you the knowledge you need to go to the next level. So University of Young Entrepreneurs, I'm Brandon Adams. Go below and sign up for my podcast. Subscribe to University of Young Entrepreneurs. Put your name and email. We'll send you some great stuff, a bunch of free stuff, and we're going to help you take your business to the next level. Thank you.